Let's see what she gets.
You said you needed the port? I mean, blade of port, right?
How many assumers?
That's purple.
I'll come in.
BMS or Annie, yeah. The Annie.
4, 5,
Okay.
7.
Annie for real.
Yes.
Nice.
Oh. It belonged to me.
Nice. She got Annie.
Got my Annie.
That's her main.
I'll buy it.
No.
Mr.
I'm Andy, by the way.
What's your name? Cameron.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm leaving early.
You have to recycle. This is -3. I'm at a 2 right now.
You put a Soraka?
That is.
Let's see what this is.
Come on, let's get a legend.
We're talking about Kaisa.
Let's get something Annie can use.
She was new, and then he was
Hopefully.
getting out of
Maybe Annie herself.
Annie got scammed.
the silver diamond.
I hate the promo sets for set 2.
Our buddy, Mr. Abel, is opening the first Spiritforged pack on his first Nexus Night.
This is crazy.
We're currently in low burn that we want to smash story.
I love gear. I love gears.
Ticket, yep. Nice. Battlefield. Oh, keep going. Back on the dealer. Rengar. Now the big one.
This is a big one?
Yeah, this is the nice one.
That is
Everyone wants this.
the promo.
Not every place gives this out.
Cards.
Because you gotta be top 8 or top 4.
I'll buy
Mostly
the
top
Annie
4.
if you pull it.
I'll buy the Annie higher price than him.
$800. Sorry.
$8 or
Alright.
yours high. You don't know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I really don't. I see a 4 cost.
What is this?
Harpoon
Squad. Herder. Eye of Herod.
I don't know what that does.
They're all promos though.
Alright, let's go.
Ah, okay.
You've been scammed.
Okay. I've been scammed.
The
That's
Lux,
crazy.
the Lux guy. Hey, the Lux guy might want it. Though. You could trade it with the Lux guy.
That's a possibility. Let's see what's in this one.
Me first, you second, right? Huh? Me first, you second.
Alright.
I'm struggling. There we go.
Riftbound Spiritforged.
You finally is it intricate?
Alright.
These uncommon, spoil, sad face. It could have been better. Scam packs. All right.
Alright, here we go.
I already have 6 fancy blue runes. I wanted 7.
Oh my god.
Just to run
it's
this
already
round?
over. Yeah.
Oh yeah, I got you.
Alright. Riftbound League of Legends Spiritforged Nexus pack. Let's see what we get today. Sacred Dirt.
Hey, that's
Doran's Blade. Armor. So I got gears. Well, if you're not.
Thorn's Ring! Cloth Armor! Lux! Woo!
Damn.
I'm running it right. That's going in my deck.
Damn.